guys all right? Row it, row it,
Row it, girls, go!
These two are planning to spend a long, romantic day boating on the lake. Okay, maybe not. Just like water and oil, water and idiots don't mix.
Yo, you all right?
Who'd have thought that people wearing Hawaiian shirts could be so irresponsible? Didn't see that one coming. After boarding a kayak, it's never a good idea to smile too soon. And the same goes for getting out of a kayak, too. Just don't celebrate too early.
Oh, no! No! Chris, we need to get you. Get out.
Has anyone looked graceful or cool in a kayak? If so, they have no place in an akimbo video. You get an idea of this guy's priorities when you see how dry his cigar still is. Don't you hate getting stuck in traffic when you're canoeing home from work? Idiots and kayaks go together like bread and butter. The positive side of fat guys in little boats, however, is that they do float pretty well. This guy actually manages to get out of a kayak successfully.
Well done, old boy.
Sadly, that doesn't mean that he remained dry.
Oh, well. Oh, God.